Welcome to the complete Hindi course, Hindi Speaking, Hindi Grammar, your one-stop solution to becoming a fluent Hindi speaker. What are the things that you need to become an effective communicator in Hindi? Hindi speaking and pronunciation, Hindi conversation, Hindi grammar, and Hindi vocabulary. Well, all these four aspects in one single course, the complete Hindi course. Do you want to speak Hindi fluently in just a few weeks? Do you want to master every topic of Hindi grammar? Do you want to converse effortlessly with native Hindi speakers? Then this is definitely the course for you. My name is Kusumika and I am a language teacher. I teach Hindi, English and Bengali to students all over the world. I have more than 20 years of experience in this field. I have a first-class master's degree in English. I'm also an alumni of IIM Calcutta in their Education Leadership Program. Now let us see what we can do to work on the four elements that will make you an effective Hindi speaker. Any good speaker will speak with clear pronunciation, correct grammar, and appropriate vocabulary. The practice lessons that I've included focuses purely on this. The speaking practices are designed to help you develop all these skills. It is very important that we don't stop at making only small sentences. A good speaker will be able to carry out a sensible conversation. To make sure that your Hindi conversations go perfectly, I have carefully chosen topics and created sample conversations on them. You can use them in your practical life as well. These conversations will help you develop your skills in constructing lengthy sentences. Grammar is the foundation of any language, and Hindi is no different. All grammar topics have been discussed in great details, and adequate examples are here to make sure that the concepts stay with you. The study resources and the quizzes are only going to reinforce them further. You need a great stock of vocabulary to be an effective speaker. There are 24 lectures over here that cover a wide variety of vocabulary topics extremely relevant to day-to-day conversation. The proper pronunciation reiteration has been done to make sure you know exactly how to say these words correctly. Now, what do you get when you enroll in this course? You get 8.5 hours of videos. They are concise lessons designed to deliver learning effectively. There is more than 75 lectures over here which discusses all topics in great details. You get downloadable resources which you can use for your offline studies. So you don't need to be logged into your Udemy account all the time. Anytime you want, you can simply take a look at them and review your Hindi learning. The quizzes and assignments are only going to help you practically use the principles of Hindi that you have learnt. The concepts will also get reinforced. My aim is the same as yours, to deliver a course that will help you become a fluent, effective Hindi speaker in a very efficient manner. There are also practice tests which are going to help you develop your structuring skills. There is an article which you will find very interesting. It talks about the development of Hindi as a language and why it is so important to know it. Now, what exactly do these video lectures contain? Let's take a look.
I can speak a little bit of Hindi. मैं थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ. मैं थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ. For feminine, the sakta will become sakti. मैं थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ if it's a feminine. E. E. E-car. E-car. Combining with k plus E, ki, the short sound. E. E. The matra E-car. E-car. Combining with ki, ki, the longer sound.
9:15 a.m. the quarter hour. सुबह 9:15 हुए हैं. 9:15, 15 minutes past 9. Now the quarter hour can also be denoted by the following sentence. सुबह के 9:15 बजे हैं. Sawa stands for the quarter past hour. 9:15, quarter past 9. She slept at night. वह रात को सोई. They went to Mumbai. वे मुंबई गईं. He slept on the bed. वो बिस्तर पर सोया. They played ball. उन्होंने गेंद खेली. Ria did not break the toy. रिया ने खिलौना नहीं तोड़ा. Here also you will notice that the rules of transitive and intransitive are holding true. But is that all? No. There is also a separate section on Hindi reading. Hindi reading brings with it a lot of advantages. It helps you clear pronunciation, learn grammatical structures, and improve your vocabulary. In this section, there are stories, folklores, rhymes, and articles. Besides, there are also some exercises. The exercises have been designed to cater to students from the beginner level to the advanced level. Additionally, there is also a section for Hindi writing. Here, you will learn how to write the Hindi script. Lot of simple words have been given as examples so that you can practice further. Hindi numerals and the Hindi counting system are a part of this. Besides, there is a list of 200 plus most commonly used words, 100 plus useful sentences, and 250 examples of verb tenses in both the masculine and the feminine form. All this will ultimately contribute to your greater expertise in the Hindi language. You have the opportunity of directly messaging me, your instructor, with any doubts or any queries that you might have. Whenever you submit assignments, I assure you, you will receive a quick feedback and, of course, extra tips. You have full lifetime access to this course. Any new updates added, any new resources put up, immediately you will have them. So, how can you get this course? All you have to do is click on this Buy This Course button and the complete Hindi course is yours. So what are you waiting for? Let's begin our Hindi learning journey.